Kajingiki bala penlong hajantar mantar ke bala penlong daka Cockroach Janata Party CJP harengkat ru usonom Wangchuk bandawa naka sorkar India ban penyo ika hoki samla puli hakeleng karihi barok kawai bala dawaru ban penhiar syuki yu menteri ketenat puli puti Udharmendra Pradhan kala penlong ika seng ki samla puli karilom khasi penar ka KSU Delhi unit ban lek ajin kershan ka presiden jong ka KSU Delhi unit ke samla Marbiang Khongwir ka bolongru ka wei ni kinong site an kala yalam berengkat bala ka kunhun haka ar plai teri unaitung ar hajar ar penriu ban ai ke jingkershan bat dawaru baka sorkar India kade ban pentrekam ya ka hok ki samla puli hapo kari la ban kedo ki samla puli ki bakershan ya ka Cockroach Janata Party bat ka balane jandap shibnai kala penki ki samla puli hanong ba shillong bat ki wei ki samla Hakari India hi barok away.
Students, I would like to say that this situation is really distressing. Education should be a fundamental right of every child, of every citizen of India, and that is not the case right now. And I hope that the government will not turn back on the students and will do something for them.
Mengikung pa KSU mong yawan lang wala slokti lang magkung ki magka Cockroach Janata Party bat iba so namang chok mo ibala sa sangan ha pangniha Delhi kumba la jan shibnai na marjungi ki students ni kuntang yawan lang ning ya initiative mitli ki bat ni amno ka government kan sarkar kan sakap mo ki jing dawa jungi ba katlo ka la kai ki kanika jing puli jungi mo aba ka pista ka job ya ka jing start mo kaning yapan
Nagaliang jongka KSU ngawan hande begini kena banyak Christian ni ka protest kabaladon berpercaya dengan protes mentah jong kini kena samla puli baladon kumba shibnai te kum kaseng hi ko wein ka noram jong kaseng kade banyadai ka puli puthi balban penkiu ki kena samla kum ta ngas ngau kalong ka bakong san bat ka badan kam bangin mi shakmat hakum kini ki jat protes balbangin kershan kini kena kenam bakan wayalami ka jingpha ka puli ka puthi na benta ka ri barok wei
hakawai pat ka benta na kaliang kipat ba asor shlong ru kilalum ya kejingilang pat ba kabala penlong ha police point lai umkra parking lot ban penpau ya kadak kejingi shim benta bat kejing kershan ya kate kejingi ki kabala penlong da ka CJP hajantar mantar hanong ba Delhi hagani kejingilang kabajai jai lawan bani shim benta de kispa ngut bakenthop de kisamla puli kilong kemi kilong kpa kikna rin kibalara ki plakat kijing tho ban penrem ya kejing kuman ka sorkar kemi bat bandawa hiar syuki Udharmendra Pradhan badai menteri puli puthi ka sorkar jongkari India.
The ones who have died in the recent people, I am not a neat student. I might not be a neat student. The students have died and the ministers are not doing anything. The prime minister is not doing anything. The education minister is not doing anything. They have to resign. They have to take accountability. They cannot just look away out of this. They have tweeted stuff about saying that the leaks are like some of the leaks. They stated this morning that the leaks has only some questions, but they are like 120 questions leaked. That is not okay. That was a leak. That is, they are not taking accountability for it. We want accountability. That's all.
And this is in solidarity with the people who were brutally beaten on 20th of July in Delhi. This is just to show them that we stand with them. The entire country stands with them. Each and every corner of the country, they stand with them. If you want to raise slogans, make it very, very, non-violence. This is a peaceful gathering. You want to sing? You can sing, no problem. Just make sure that we maintain the peacefulness as we have been maintaining throughout. And remember, the primary intention of this gathering is that we are standing with our brothers and sisters who got beaten up brutally on 20th of July. Thank you so much again for coming. You are such an amazing group of people. Thank you.
My name is Yashraj. I'm a responsible citizen, and this particular peaceful gathering is being organized by parents, students and responsible citizens like us. And this is basically to stand with the students, children who were brutally being beaten on 20th of July. And that is why we just want to show that they are not in this alone. Everyone in this country, including people from Shillong, we are standing with them in this together. Well, the message to the government is that whatever the protesters are demanding, there should be a dialogue between the government and the protesters and Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, who is on a hunger strike for almost 25 days, and the education minister should definitely resign, because it's high time that somebody should take accountability on this. That is the message to the government from our side.
Okay, this protest is on today only.
Only for today. We are not protesters. We are just independent citizens and responsible citizens who were just frustrated because we can't go to Delhi. We just thought that let's do something over here, and that's all.
But we have to news that government will not resign. Will not resign.
I can't say about that. I hope something, some result comes out because of this agitation, the peaceful gathering, the protests. Somebody should see what's happening in the country.